1. Hey guys!
When you try to come for me, I keep on flourishing.
Cringe. 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 Hey guys! So I'm currently editing for the Niki and Gabi channel right now, and for those of you guys that don't know, I'm the Niki and Gabi channel editor. So you guys think you've seen all of the Niki and Gabi videos, right? But what if I told you we have videos from last year fully edited that we never got a chance to upload? Today we're gonna be showing you guys deleted videos that never made it to our channel. Today's the day these videos live and you guys finally can see them. And I guess you guys are probably wondering why we never uploaded these videos. And to be honest, a lot of us YouTubers get in our heads, we're perfectionists, we don't think they're good enough, or the timing simply isn't right. So the 3 videos we're going to show you guys are transforming into celebrities we look like, which twin is hotter challenge, and Christmas videos that never made it to the channel. Without further ado, let's get right into those deleted videos. Hey guys, I'm Niki and I'm Gabi, and today we're going to be doing a video that I feel like has been so requested. So we tend to drag on our intros, but I'm just gonna cut to the chase and let you guys know that in this video we're transforming into the celebrities we look like with our older sister Alex. I look like Taylor Swift with the wig on, Gabi looks like Ariana Grande as y'all can see, and our older sister Alex kinda resembles Camila Cabello, so we figured we would do just that. Let's just get right into the video. So I'm gonna start my makeup for my Ariana Grande transformation, and I'm gonna mix a few foundations just to get the right shade because my tan is always fluctuating. That ain't it. Her new music video, God is Woman, just came out, so this is the makeup look that I'm going for. I remember I was running late to film this video, so I wasn't wearing any makeup in the intro, so Niki, thank you for not posting this video. Ariana's eyeliner, when she does wings, they go up. Gotta make sure that nose is snatched because in that photo, her nose is the glowiest thing on her face. Funny fact, this wasn't posted because exactly a week after that whole "that ain't it" scandal happened, so yeah. I mean, I guess the makeup looks good, but like at this point, we were just like, do we need any more reasons for people to hate on me at this point? Like, you know what I mean? And yeah. And I can be all the things you told me not to be. Hey guys, it's Alex, Gabi, Niki's older sister, and today I'm going to be transforming into Camila Cabello because literally everybody tells me I look like her on social media. So I'm gonna do it for real this time. You're welcome. It was such a shame this video never got put up because Alex went out of her way to come be in this video and we never have Alex on our channel or in our videos. So I'm kind of mad this never got to be its own upload, but hey, at least it's in this video. Alright, so now we're gonna add some dry shampoo to give some texture. Alright guys, so these are my hair extensions.
I feel natural.
Yeah.
They actually, no joke.
What does she do? She's always like... Alright guys, so I'm about to do my Taylor transformation. All of a sudden I put on a Taylor wig and my life changed. Really weird things about our faces are similar that you wouldn't think, but I'm gonna let my transformation do the talking. I'm gonna use foundation that's a little lighter since Taylor is a little more porcelain. Run it on my outfit. I'm a failure. So I just want to get this straight. I know I don't look like Taylor Swift. I have brown eyes, dark hair, actually blue hair. But for some reason, whenever I put on this Taylor wig, something about my face shape and the way I do winged liner just like brings it all together. I'm not gonna lie, there's just something really about this video that's kind of cringe, and I feel like that's the reason we never uploaded it. So now I'm just going to put on my mascara. So let's just...
Oh. No, don't wipe it. Magic. Don't put it on the new couch.
Putting it on my clothes. One of the biggest focuses I have to focus on when transforming into Taylor is the Cupid's bow on her top lip. It's like her thing. Ah, there we go with that dark Reputation iconic lip. Now time for the wig.
This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like.
This is my Taylor transformation. Or maybe this is why the video was never uploaded. Like, I don't even think I look like Taylor. Cringe. 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 So I really hope you enjoyed this video.
Yeah, no, I'm glad this wasn't posted.
You're so great.
And neither is Gabby.
Taylor's amazing.
I'm a snake and you're gone. I'm out of character. I'm out of character. Out of character. Out of character. Subscribe to Alex's channel. It's Alex Demar on YouTube. And all her information's linked down below. Taylor's not here right now. She's dead. She's dead. Comment down below who you think looked most like their celebrity, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. So as clever as this idea was, it was definitely a little shallow and vapid, but it was a really cute idea, so I don't know how to feel about it. Hey guys, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Gabby.
And today we have a different video for you guys. Have you ever looked through a magazine and saw where they put celebrities side by side comparing outfits that they wore just differently? We had someone pick out 3 pieces that are style neutral for me and Gabby. Basically 3 pieces that could go either way with our styles. The first piece we both have to style differently is a plain black and white striped crop top.
Ooh, this is my style. I love this.
The second outfit is this plain black dress.
Ugh.
It's gonna be fun to see the different ways we style this.
Yeah.
And the last piece that's chosen is this maroon bodysuit with lace. These are very neutral pieces that can be styled completely differently. If you want to see how we style these differently, keep watching. Alright guys, so here's all the clothes that I picked out of my closet to pair with the items that we have to wear. So I'm gonna go through them and show you guys what I chose. So basically, Gabby and I got the exact same clothing piece and then we just styled it completely different. I thought this was a cute idea. I paired mine with some dark pants, a belt, and a denim jacket for that like chill hipster vibe.
I remember being really excited for this video because I felt like this outfit was very Audrey Hepburn and Breakfast at Tiffany's.
So the first outfit, we were both wearing the striped shirt and the results say
I won!
Gabby won.
With 123,592 votes, Nikki had 87,378 votes.
I was very confident about my outfit. I kind of thought I was gonna win this one, but what this shows me is people like simplicity.
All I really did was threw on like some black capris and cute furry little like slide heels.
I know! Simplicity?
The
Like
sunglasses I think are what made it look very like chic.
I see a plain striped t-shirt and I want to add stuff because it's so simple. But people like simple. 1 for Gabby, 0 for me. This was the most difficult because I'm not a bodysuit person.
Again, this is the part where we show you guys how we styled them, but you will see them during the results, so there's no need to drag this on.
Last but not least, with this ugly colored bodysuit, I'm sorry, I absolutely hate this color. I thought army green with a cream bow would look cute and flatter the ugly color.
This outfit was just a no, guys, just wait.
I could just really girlify this like burnt orange burgundy color.
Red bodysuit. I have 152,713 votes and Gabby had 56,737
I hated that bodysuit. When I don't like how like the outfit looks, like I'm very bad at like trying to make it work. Like I would never wear that.
It gave me Peter Pan vibes.
The shoes with the shorts did not look cute.
And your leg pose. It was just very Peter Pan.
Yeah, I look like Peter Pan.
Right, the tiebreaker is the black dress.
The next item is this black dress.
For the plain black sad dress.
Both of us were just not having this black dress.
Yay! I won! Gabby won with her simplicity.
This is another simplistic one.
As much as this video was a cute idea, I don't think it helped our case with how we dislike being compared to each other. Yeah, I agree. Because this video was literally using a poll feature on Instagram comparing who's better, who looks better, whose outfit's better. And I felt like the clothing options were more Nikki than Gabby, so it was really hard for me. But you still won.
Because I didn't know like the take she put on the outfits. She didn't know the take I put on the outfits. Hers were definitely more complicated with accessories and jackets and shoes. I felt like I just wore the outfits and just threw on like a bottom.
You guys seem to respond a lot more to simplicity. And I've seen that on like my Instagram posts. Like when I'm in a bathing suit at the beach, that photo gets more likes versus a really artsy photo with a lot going on.
Yeah, I noticed my iPhone pics get more likes than like a professional pic.
This was a really interesting, it was almost like an experiment. We hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Are you recording still?
No.
Hey guys, I'm Nikki
And I'm Gabi.
and today we have a special video for you guys. We have never done a video like this on our channel and we're so anxious to see how you guys like it. And basically we are doing our very first couple versus couple challenge, and in this video we're going to be challenged to bake Christmas cookies with our boyfriends against each other without any recipes. And we have 3 judges who are going to judge us based on taste, presentation, or if it's a cookie.
So the judges are our friend slash photographer, Mike.
Our best friend Rachel from the show Summer Break on Awesomeness TV, and our mom.
This video was such a different format. We never did a video like this. It's honestly so cringy. We had to show you guys in this video.
Let's get right into this video.
Colin's name isn't even spelled right. I felt like this was a cute video idea for our friends and family, but I feel like at the end of the day, this was like, it's not the Food Network and it's not like a cooking show, so it's kind of cringy.
I want to make a white chocolate. I just love white chocolate and anything like light.
I think it's gonna be a disaster.
Oh my god, Colin looks like 3 years younger. What?
Crunchies.
Let me saute the crunchies.
Colin is making me so nervous. He has no idea what he's doing over there at the skillet. He didn't even crush the graham cracker fishies.
This is like a reality show style cooking show on the Niki and Gabi channel. Now I see why it wasn't posted. This is just no.
Colin still can't get the hang of these graham cracker sprinkles.
This is so cringy.
Forget about the dang sprinkles and just help me with the dough. And white chocolate chip cookie, sauteed goldfish graham cracker with butter on top.
Alright, so we have to make cookies without a recipe, and I feel like we're crap out of luck because I don't bake.
Can we just appreciate how camera shy Nate looks here?
Not using a recipe is a huge challenge for me.
Yow, Nikki. You know how like when you watch footage a year later and you look back and you're like, what was I thinking? Makeup, hair, outfit-wise? Yeah, that's kind of what I'm going through right now.
Kind of leaning on Nate more.
And yeah, I kind of don't understand why we're like making this cooking challenge like a reality show, because it wasn't that interesting or that deep. Like, what are we doing?
This is so useless.
I feel like we got an E for effort. I think we mimicked Food Network well, but overall it's a no. Can we just please take a moment to appreciate both boyfriends in this video? You could tell they both didn't want to do it and they just did it because they were being troopers. In the moment, me and Gabi thought this was such a great idea and that it was going to be so much fun, but watching it back, it does not look fun and the boys look miserable. All that for Christmas tree shaped chocolate chip cookies with white chocolate chips.
That looks to me like a sugar cookie meets a crumb cake.
It looks like streusel.
I low-key feel bad for mom because she got all excited and had me do her hair and makeup, and then when she found out this wasn't going up, she was like sad.
Yeah,
I guess so.
I'm kind of into it though. The Christmas tree is really cute.
Yeah, I like it. I think for presentation, the Christmas tree is like definitely the winner here for presentation, just because they added all these little things like with the candy canes
And the M&M's on
and the
them.
M&M.
stuff.
Ha! I won presentation, y'all.
Taste this now.
This
Here
one?
we go. Gabby's
It's kind of hard.
This is like making me hungry now, not gonna lie.
It's kind of what I expected, except for yeah, it does taste salty.
That's what she said. Sorry, Mike.
Figure out what I just bit into.
I'm gonna be honest, there's not much flavor, but the flavor it does have is like pretty good.
So like our friends and my mom started acting like these professional food critics. Like, where did this come from?
Almost. Like there's definitely a lot of butter. Right. Oh, this is flavorful. I like it. The M&M, like are these
They're not M&M's.
I'm not into the candy cane pieces.
Yeah,
I will
I
say
don't-
that.
Yeah, I don't think I like them.
I'm not into the candy cane pieces.
Good
but
effort though. For me, I'm gonna go with Gabi and Colin's cookie.
Gabi and Colin as well.
I feel like I'm gonna go with the Christmas tree cookie with Nikki and Nate's cookie. I'm not into the candy canes, but I feel like it has more flavor.
I think Gabi and Colin's is more cookie than Nikki and Nate's. Like Nikki and Nate's has the texture of a brownie to me. So
With no recipe, so I'm actually like
Impressed.
I'm actually really
I
impressed.
know. Well, I think they both win. They both did a great job.
Aww. This video was actually really cute. It actually just never went up because I was supposed to edit this on Christmas Day and upload it, and I already had to focus on what we got for Christmas, so we just ran out of time.
Alright, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!
Alright guys, so those were our deleted videos. Comment down below which unseen video was your favorite. And other YouTubers, if you guys are watching this, I want to see your deleted videos. So let's see if this trend can keep going. Alright, Gabby's not here, so it's weird, but we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!
I woke up today